Hey everyone, this is Marjory Wildcraft and Lynn Gillespie,
Hello.
the one and only. The one who actually knows what she's doing. So Lynn,
Yes.
what are you doing with a jar? What are you gonna,
This jar is a project for the garden.
okay.
And what this jar is for is to collect all the weeds that you pull out of the garden for the entire season are going to fit in this jar.
Are they gonna, the entire season,
Entire
the weeds
season.
are gonna fit in this jar?
Yep.
Okay.
That's our goal.
This is not, you're not gonna make moonshine and make this your liquid Rocky Mountain corn?
We're going to make compost.
Okay.
Compost.
Okay, so I'm up for this, so this is going to be the challenge.
This
So
is your
whenever we find a
challenge.
weed, we're going
Right.
to put it in the jar?
So we'll just cruise the garden, like here's one little weed in the jar.
Oh my God, what was that?
That was grass.
You know you can eat grass.
You can eat it. No, we have to collect it in the jar.
Okay, all right. Well, I got scissors.
Ah,
See?
2 pair too.
Yes, they're not matching though.
No, that's all right.
So we're going to do some harvesting. Our first harvest.
first harvest
I mean, what is
today.
it's only been 4 weeks.
I know.
Right? We got
It's so fast.
We got food.
Yep.
So, and we even have a scale and like equipment to harvest with.
Mm-hmm.
So what it is the peas, right? The garden's looking great, by the way. I don't know if Tom can pan in here and show
It
people.
is.
what this
I'm
looks
very
like.
impressed with your garden.
Yeah,
It's doing really well. You're going to have so much food come out of this.
nice.
And 1 jar of weeds.
And 1 jar of weeds.
That's
Okay,
it.
well, I'm going to keep you to that.
Okay.
And then we'll also weigh what's coming out. So we'll check it out. All right, so we're going to harvest these. How do you recommend?
Okay.
To harvest
so
these guys.
we have, there's 7 rows of peas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 7 rows of peas.
7 rows of peas.
We have a pair of scissors and bring over your container.
All right, so we're gonna put them in this, and then I'll weigh them in that other one, so the tare weight
And
is
the way I like to
good.
cut them is if we cut them,
Here, I'll let Tom zoom in on that.
the pea comes up and then there's one set of branches and then a second set of branches.
Uh-huh.
So I want to cut right here, right above that first set of branches.
Okay.
And then a second shoot can come out of that other set. And so we're just going to shear this sideways. So we're not going to take it all the way to the ground. And we're going to get a second, third, maybe a fourth cutting off of this.
So it's just like
It's just
giving it a trim, like a
giving
haircut.
it a trim. And we want to do, we could do either 3 rows this week and 4 rows next week.
Okay.
I think you have company this week. We might want to do 4.
Yeah,
'Cause
that's
this
right.
stuff's
Because I'm
really
going to
good.
stir fry these for dinner tonight.
And so what'll happen
Yeah.
is that'll start alternating where we do 4,
So
then
what
3,
do
then 4, then 3.
I don't think it's going to matter whether we alternate rows or just do 4, and then
You can cut whichever ones you want.
you can cut whatever we
And
want.
we'll just stop at 4.
Yes,
How's
see,
that?
She's letting me do whatever I want. That's very nice. I
A
like
little
that.
bit.
And
You can do a
people-
little bit what you want.
Well, I'll come over here and start harvesting some
Oh,
on
man.
from the back.
Man, those smell good.
Yeah. Fresh greens. They're awesome.
Oh, we got these too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't see these real good, so I'm just going to guesstimate.
Yeah,
like
you
that.
can even go just a slightly lower too if you want.
Okay. Yeah, people don't realize it, but I'm like nearsighted. And they go, Marjorie, you look kind of funny at the camera. And I'm like, yeah, because I don't see the camera that well.
That's fine. You grow a beautiful garden.
Now look at these guys in the little thing here. I'm going to take
Yeah.
some of them too.
Yeah,
They
we
look
can.
Delish.
I love these. These are like one of my favorite foods
This-
for breakfast. These are amazing.
Oh, with some
Amazing.
in some butter and garlic.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect breakfast.
Mhm,
Yeah.
yeah.
Throw a couple scrambled eggs or a fried egg on top. And
You know,
there
people have
it.
these breakfast ruts, and I'm thinking you got to get out of the breakfast.
They
ruts.
do, and it's just another meal a day. If you think of it as just another meal of the day,
Mm-hmm.
then the whole world opens up to you, and you can eat all kinds of amazing things. So we're picking through the wires today because we are still 15 days away from our last frost date.
We had a frost this morning.
We did. Everything was white. Was everything
Yeah.
white here?
No, it wasn't
Yeah.
all white, but the blankets were all
Yeah, we
no,
were
they were all
frosty.
crispy. It didn't get that bad. I'm hoping it didn't wipe out all the fruit trees.
Oh, I don't think it did.
Okay, so
At
this is
32 degrees, we had 32 degrees. The fruit is good down to about 28.
good.
But I was looking last year, on this week we had 19 degrees.
Holy
So
cow.
it can still get cold. So it's good to keep your protection here for the garden, so you got your blankets and your covers.
So
And
pretty much every night I've been covering them, and even if it isn't going to freeze, I've been covering them just so that they stay warmer to
I
accelerate
can
the growth.
tell because
Yeah.
your carrots Your
coming
carrots are up,
Yeah.
and they were up early.
But it's so nice, you know, you cover them and you talk to them, and it's, you know.
Because the garden is easy, 'cause it's defined, and it's,
Yeah.
it's easy to work with.
And
Wow, look at all that food.
yeah, I'm going to
Okay,
get a little bit more out of these.
Yep, and then we'll
'cause they're
save the
kinda
rest
crowded here.
for next week.
You don't want to have overcrowded peas. All right, let's try weighing these bad boys.
Now you got enough for dinner and breakfast.
I don't know, the way I eat them, it might not, might not even be dinner. All right, let's see.
All right, how do you run your scale?
I don't know.
I don't know
I
either.
don't know either. I think you got to turn it on.
Turn it on.
I'm just going to put this here. So there'll be a chair weight. I'm going to take this off because we
Okay.
don't need it. And I hope this is accurate enough. That doesn't. It's
Doesn't
not
weigh
gonna-
anything.
It doesn't weigh. Well, it doesn't.
It doesn't. All right, you want me to try to stuff all these peas in that?
No, but we can maybe do 2 batches or whatever we need to do to make it work.
Well, they don't weigh anything either.
I don't weigh anything either. Yeah.
It's not very accurate.
That's not a good scale, is it? Okay. Well, anyway, yeah, I'm going to eat this. And it's edible. It's all mess of pea shoots. So, Lynn,
Yes.
I have something for you
What's
that
that?
I'm going to give you next week.
Next week.
And it's something that you have, like, been secretly desiring.
Ooh.
Like, you won't tell him. And I'm not, you know what? She's going to bug me when Tom turns the camera off. And she's going to
Yeah.
say, Marjorie, tell me what it is. But I'm not going to tell. I'm not
You're
going
gonna
to
leave me in suspense
Yeah,
for an
because
entire
we
week?
want to have the surprise on camera.
Oh boy.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. This is something she has, like, really secretly wanted all of her life. Probably didn't even know it. Yeah. Okay, so this is good.
Yep.
So we got our first harvest, and
Should we
next
do it?
week we're going to get you your special gift,
Thank you.
and we are going to plant some broccoli.
Yes.
It's about time to plant some
It's
broccoli.
time to put the broccoli in.
Is it going to be time to put in the next set of cabbages, or not yet?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
We'll put in the next cabbages.
All right.
All right.
Well, you know what? I will tell you something that we do discuss off camera, and that is like, oh my God, what if something goes wrong with this garden?
Can happen.
Because you never know.
Do you
right?
shut the gate?
Yes, I've been shutting the gate.
Okay,
I've been
good.
turning on the electric fencing,
Good.
and yeah, and then I've been covering it at night. But look, at least we've got one harvest already.
Our first harvest.
So
Yeah.
first harvest. Okay, well, join us next week, and we'll plant the broccoli, and then Lynn, you'll get to see what the gift is that she's. Oh, there's Tom. There's the camera. See, I don't see real well. She's always secretly wanted it all of her life. So this is this is Marjory Wildcraft and Lynn Gillespie, and this is Adventures in High Performance Gardening. This is not your average gardening. This is high performance gardening. Okay,
Totally.
we'll see you next week.